What's up guys, CC here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, definitely consider subscribing and turning those notification bells on. Welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with CC. Apart from seeing the title of this video, you see me come out here in my black, green and gold, so you don't know what I cook already, right? We'll be cooking some nice ackee and saltfish Jamaican style. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how the ackee is supposed to look once it's ripe and ready to be cooked. This bright orange color and it's open. If you have to pry open the ackee to get to the fruit, then it's not ready to be cooked, and if you cook it then it can be poisonous. The next main ingredient is the saltfish. Then we'll get our veggies together. I have some thyme, sweet pepper, onion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, as well as some garlic. Once I'm done cutting up my veggies, then I wash the saltfish, just give it a rinse, and then put it on to boil. We're gonna boil some of the saltiness off. Once you finish boiling the saltfish, I just put it in some room temperature water to cool down, because we'll be going in with our hands to remove the scales and bone from the saltfish. So I have two plates here. I'm separating what I'm keeping versus the bone and trash. Now I'm gonna go ahead and boil the ackee. I'm adding the ackee to some boiling water, and this may take 8 to 10 minutes, sometimes more, depending on the ackee that you get. Keep an eye on it to make sure it's not overcooked. While the ackee cook, let's get back to cooking up our veggies. Go ahead and add some oil to your frying pan, to your pot. And as you can see here, I'm adding the veggies as I go. You could just dump it all in and fry up your veggies. Cooking down the veggies and the saltfish, now we're gonna add some seasoning. I'm using complete seasoning, garlic powder, paprika powder, and some red pepper flakes. No salt, we already have the saltfish for that. Our ackee is done, it's cooked. Now we're going to strain it and add it to our saltfish. And our ackee and saltfish is complete. It looks so good. I'm definitely going to enjoy this later. And I cooked some white rice to go along with it. Only thing I'm missing now is some ripe plantain or some pear avocado on the side. And you know I get avocado the next day. Anyways, thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video and you get to use this recipe or this method and enjoy some ackee and saltfish. If you haven't done so as yet, please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Step out in the black, green and gold. Bye guys.